In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask how many objects we want in Māori. This is a useful sentence structure when out shopping. For example, we may ask someone, kia hia ngā inu wera? How many hot drinks do you want? We must use the word kia before the number to answer. Kia rua, 2. Kia toru, 3. Kia whā, 4. Kia hia ngā inu wera? How many hot drinks do you want? Kia kotahi te inu wera. I would like 1 hot drink. If you would like 10 hot drinks, the answer is kia hia ngā inu wera? How many hot drinks do you want? Kia te kau ngā inu wera. I would like 10 hot drinks. Sometimes someone else is serving us kai and they might ask us, kia hia ngā riwai? How many potatoes do you want? So the reply is kia maha ngā riwai. Lots of potatoes. But if they ask kia hia ngā pini? How many beans do you want? Don't forget to say kia iti ngā pini. Only a few beans. So you can save yourself for the steak. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.